Right guys, we've hopefully got a special treat for you today.
Yay!
What will you be making?
I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Bicol Express. This is from Bicol.
Bicol Express?
Yeah. Why? What do you want?
I want a Whopper with the extra sauce. Give me them sesame seed buns. I want some pickles. I want cheese on top of cheese. I want fat on top of fat.
Well, I was hoping for sisig.
Sisig. Sisig.
Sisig, I said.
Yeah, that is the different. It's sisig.
Yeah. But before we start this video, we'd like to thank today's sponsor.
Yeah, thank you Robert B for the sponsor of this. Thank you so much.
It's
You're
especially for Robert.
You're so very kind to us since the
years ago.
Yeah.
He's been with us years.
Yeah, we love you so much, Robert B. Thank
and
you
he's
so
been the
much.
biggest sponsor of our channel.
Yeah.
The biggest, literally.
Yeah.
Thanks, Robert. We appreciate it.
You tried the Bicol Express before, I think.
Yeah, I have.
Did you try?
I have, but I love the
So
sisig.
we have simple ingredients only, guys.
But before we start, please like, please share.
Yeah. Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video, guys.
And if you can afford to support the channel, guys, we'd really appreciate you.
Yeah.
On Patreon or membership. Thank you very much.
Thank you
so without
so
further
much.
ado, over to Mal.
Here, the ingredients. Show it the ingredients.
You want to show the ingredients? Okay.
Yeah, this is the coconut milk. This is the pork belly. Salt, your favorite shrimp paste.
Oh, I love that.
Chili, green chili.
Green chili.
Onion, garlic, and ginger and onion as well.
Onion.
That's it. Is it?
That's
Ay,
pepper.
onion, pepper, I mean. So, we heating the pan already. Chris bought me this. What's it called this? Butane.
It's a butane burn.
Butane burn, whatever. Yeah. So just, I already put oil here.
Right, you put the oil in. Now we're not going to wait till the oil gets hot, are we?
Yeah.
Are we?
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Oh, we're going
It's
to...
hot already.
No, I mean, we're not going to just wash the pan.
Just closer.
Closer to the pan, alright, there you go.
I pick all meat. There's no there fat because I don't want to risk high blood. It's all meat.
I'm just thinking you look very beautiful today, baby.
Oh, really? Thank you very much. Oh, it's only a joke.
No,
I love cooking as well. Chris, I wish Chris know how to cook. Because I'm the one who always cooking to him.
I can cook fish and chips.
I want different. Western foods I want. Is it clear there?
Yeah, it's perfectly clear.
So let's wait, guys. May brown.
Right, what's happening now,
So next, guys, we're gonna put the ingredients. Other ingredients. Onion. It's onion.
I love onion.
Really?
Lots of onion.
And then garlic. Let's put the garlic.
How much onion and garlic are you using now?
It's medium size. It's only a medium size.
What's it medium size mean?
Not very big, not very small.
Right, just one garlic and a small onion, them little red onions,
Yeah. You can use red or white onion.
Yeah, but you're always using the red because they're a little bit cheaper, aren't they?
Yeah. So let's clear, guys. Chris love these dishes, alright?
Yeah.
I wish Robert is here so I can give to him this. Let's try. This is spicy. You can use the red chili, but I don't want to put because I will eat, of course.
Yeah, she doesn't like spicy,
Yes,
guys.
I don't like spicy.
I love
But Chris
spicy.
love it. You have a choice, guys. You can put spicy or not.
You see, I'll eat anything, any of this stuff.
Chris eat anything, guys.
Apart from
the blood.
No, I have the blood on the stick. balut,
Balut.
dried
Balut.
fish. Oh my god. You'd never get through an immigration test with me, you know.
You eat this.
Oh yeah, I mean that stinks to high heaven.
Yeah, this one
Really
this
stinks.
is very stink, guys.
It's shrimp paste, guys.
Yeah, but you love
But
right?
it tastes gorgeous. I love it. I love the
Yeah,
taste.
Chris, he tried to eat with mango
Yeah.
and eat this.
She keep forcing me, here, try this. And I'm going, no, I don't like it. I'm like my grandma. She doesn't like mysteries. Basically, if she hasn't had it before, she won't eat it. She's a bit weird like that. But I am with like your balut and dried fish, not a chance.
It smells nice, guys. Did you smell? Huh?
Yeah, it's not smelly vision though, babe, is it? It's very nice. There'll be none of this left. Again, thank you, Robert. Bless you.
Yeah. Bless you, Robert. We love you so much.
Yeah, calm down, calm down. You'll be throwing up.
So we're gonna put favorite
Yeah, shrimp paste.
You use 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste.
Will you be putting the recipe in the description, Mal?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, that's new. Shouldn't the meat be a bit browner before you put all this in, Mal? I'm only saying.
Later.
Later on.
It's gonna, because that water, did you see the water? It's gonna
Well,
be
it's more
reduce.
juice now,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Oh, you do it na to cook. Always
Alright
moaning.
then, alright. I'm not moaning, I'm simply asking questions that the viewers would probably be asking.
This is
because
not a fried. Because you said, why it's not brown?
Well, I'm asking questions, Mal. That's not moaning.
Okay, I'm just saying that.
I wanted the other one.
What? Sisig?
Sisig. Why can't you make sisig? You haven't made that for ages.
I don't know how to do that.
And I like that crunchy.
Sisig.
You haven't made it in ages. You don't know how to do it.
I can't remember.
You made it once, didn't you?
Sisig, they using, normally they use pulutan. You know pulutan?
Yeah.
You explain what's pulutan mean.
Pollutant is just snacks you have with when you're drinking and
Yeah.
stuff.
How about in Western? They not do a pulutan?
I guess they do.
Yeah.
But yeah, they don't cook. It sounds like it's polluted. When I heard it, I thought I'd misheard. But what? Polluted? Pollution? Blah, blah, blah.
Shout out to our new subscriber, David.
David, yeah, thank you, David.
I can remember his
Scott's
pilot, something like that.
Pilot.
F-16 pilot. Hello, shout out to you.
And
to Robert Cole, Ronald,
Simon,
Maria,
Maria.
Suzikyo, Shania, who else?
who else? Oh, there's lots. Scott's just become a member again. Thank you, Scott.
The other David, hello. I does, of course, does.
Oh my God, don't forget that. How dare you?
Hope you have a good time.
So again, guys, we'd appreciate if you wanted to become a member or a patron to help our channel out
Put pepper, guys.
and see more videos like this. Or maybe you'd want to sponsor Mel to cook something.
Yeah.
Because we never thought of that when, you know, Robert said, you know,
But I
I'm
want
just
to
sending
I'm trying to diet now. How I'm gonna do that if someone wants me to cook something? Look, my belly, it's bigger and bigger.
what you're trying to diet. You're not trying very hard.
Yes, I did. I'm trying to diet.
Stop eating the rice.
I did not eat the rice.
You
I
do,
tried.
yes. You try not to eat it, but you do eat it.
Put salt, just pinch, guys. You don't need to put a lot of salt because the shrimp, it's not salty.
Yeah. Well, I'm saying yeah, I don't know. I want sisig. Do you know, I've had
Sisig.
2 lots of sisig, not recently, but the last 2 lots I had, the pig skin wasn't crunchy. It was all soggy.
I like
don't.
sisig crunchy.
Yeah, I like it crunchy. I don't like it soggy. How do you like it, guys? Have you tasted sisig? You know what I mean? The dish, I mean. I love it.
So we're gonna put the
Coconut milk. Oh, yummy.
because I put on the fridge early,
Oh.
so it's not gonna be
Oh. It looks so...
creamy. What? It looks what?
yummy.
Yes, because loads of
Creamy milk.
cream.
Isn't that fattening
Coconut.
though? I thought you said you want to swim.
What?
Isn't it a bit fattening, this dish?
No, it's healthy.
Oh, it's healthy. All right. All the pork and the creamy coconut milk. What else? And the
What? There's no bad things
shrimp.
here.
What about the shrimp paste? High
Just a
blood
little.
pressure.
It's
You
just
trying
a
to kill
little.
me?
It's just a little.
Hey, are you wanting my house?
You love the shrimp, right?
Oh, I love the shrimp.
Oh.
Yeah.
There's no bud here.
I
So let's wait, guys. Boil the water. So hintayin natin, guys, na kumulo.
what?
Boiling. Ay, in Tagalog, kumulo.
Well, I thought you were going to explain in Tagalog as well, and you
I
still
explain right.
Yeah, just
I said
you just said,
kumulo.
yeah,
Kumulo.
just now, but you're not explaining what you're doing.
Nagluluto ako, guys, ng Bicol Express. Bicol Express is lutong Bicol. Yeah.
I thought you like fried the meat first. I don't know why I thought that.
What?
That you fried the meat first.
Yeah, I fried the
No, you didn't. You
first.
more or less boiled it then.
Yes.
I'm just saying.
I fried it.
All
It's
right, calm
onion,
down,
right?
calm down.
So it's boiling, guys, and the meat is very tender. So we're gonna put the last ingredients. It's chili, green chili.
And the what? You
Meat.
like
It's tender, the meat already. Oh, we just mix it.
meat?
So
Are you Russian?
So the final ingredient, guys, is onion, garlic, ginger, pepper, salt, shrimp paste, and coconut. It's a very simple ingredients, guys. I just put the ingredients in the description. So I will give Grace a try to taste if it's you like.
And how much do you think this dish has cost you?
It costs around 300 pesos.
Wow, it's nothing. It's for nothing, guys.
So you see, guys, the
Come on, give me a
the
sample then. I
coconut.
want a sample.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Give me a
please.
sample. I'm hungry. I want to give
And
you an
guys,
honest
you can
opinion.
use red chili if you want more spicy. I will give Chris.
Gonna be better to you. What? Are you gonna give me some creamy stuff? Okay, that's enough, babe. Don't overdo it in case I don't like it.
Careful, it's so hot. Why you face is like that?
The chili.
Sit the chili. Is it spicy?
Oh, yeah, but it's gorgeous. No, seriously, it's gorgeous. I love it.
Ronald, when you come here, I will make you this Bicol Express. You think Ronald will gonna love that?
Yeah. I think everybody would love it. Have a go at it, guys, if you haven't already. I mean, it's very simple to do. I could do this.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, do it next time. So look, guys. I put a half coconut because I like more creamy.
So, it's over to you then, babe.
Please, I hope guys you love my cooking, the Bicol Express. Hope you like doing cooking. So please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye, guys! Uy, what you doing? I'm finished.
What?
You help me to pack things.
the video was up.
Look, guys.
What?
What's that on your nose?
Nothing.
You have cream on your nose. Jesus Christopher.
Please subscribe.